Welcome to the mesmerizing Isle of Skye, a jewel tucked away in Scotland's crown. Picture a landscape of stark cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and serene lochs. Imagine the allure of quaint historic villages, where culture and tradition are as rich as the landscape is rugged. It's not just a visual feast, though. If you're a sports enthusiast, you'll find plenty to do here. From mountain biking to sea kayaking, the Isle of Skye offers a world of adventure at every turn. The island's wildlife is a spectacle in itself. Spot otters frolicking in the shoreline or golden eagles soaring high in the sky. The Isle of Skye is a must-see, a place where nature, culture, and adventure intertwine. And remember, don't forget to like and subscribe for more offbeat wonders.